Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to Felony First Appearance
Recording
Hearings.
in
I am
progress.
Judge Mindy Glazer. I will be presiding today. The video for First Appearance Hearings has been played to all defendants. I need everyone to please stand up, raise your right hand, and be sworn in by our clerk.
Buenas tardes a todos, yo soy la juez Wendy Glazer, por favor pónganse de pie para ser puestos bajo juramento.
Bonsoir tout le monde, moi c'est juge Mindy Glazer, tout le monde campé pour prêter serment, s'il vous plaît, levez mes doigts.
Do you swear affirm testimony about to give you the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Say I do.
Ustedes juran o afirman decir la verdad y únicamente la verdad, si es así, díganlo, juro.
All right, thank you. Please be seated.
Pueden
All right,
sentarse.
you want to swear in Spanish first, then Creole?
Yes.
Have you been sworn in today, either one of you?
I have not.
Okay,
have
Miss.
not.
Miss- All right, we'll start with Spanish then.
Do you swear that you will well faithfully and technical communities in Spanish? Spanish and English, the question and accents given the best of your ability, have such ability, say I do.
I do. Breath Ojeda, certified court interpreter.
Thank you. Now Creole?
Madam Interpreter? Do you swear that you will well faithfully and technical from English to Creole, Creole to English, the question and accents given in the best of your ability, have such ability, say I do.
I do, Carol Wilson, court certified interpreter.
Thank you. If there's anybody here for a case on Zoom, please type the defendant's name in the chat room.
Si hay alguien aquí para un caso en la plataforma de Zoom, por favor, pongan el nombre del acusado en el chat.
All right, let's begin now. Can the attorneys announce, please state?
Nessa F on behalf of the state.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Corey, Assistant Public Defender, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I'm going to take one case first. Jean Borgelis, the one we're waiting for the Creole interpreter for. All right, so Miss Wilson, this one's for you.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, when we're done with him, can we take the defendants that's on Zoom?
Sure can.
Thank you.
How about bringing in the one I need? There we go. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for aggravated battery. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Bonsoir, monsieur, yo arrêté parce que vous essayez de battre tout le monde, ma bon avocat dans le bureau, avocat défenseur public là pour représenter.
All right, I believe there's probable cause for battery because it doesn't state what object to use. Yes, okay.
Yes. But the victim was injured pretty badly, but
Je pense que gen bon jan raison pour yo te accuse au côté battre. Non, avocat l'État a dit oui parce que victime nan te blessé en pile.
All right, sir, I'm going to enter a stay-away order from the alleged victim, Marlene Dystil. At Dystil, I believe.
Distil, D-Y-S-T-I-L,
Yeah.
distil,
Yeah, Frline Dystil.
Ferline distel.
So,
Distil.
sir, no contact with the alleged victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
Monsieur m'bral bon l'autre camper loin pour camper loin victime nan Ferline distil. Ou pas gen droit gen aucun contact avec lui en personne, à l'écrit, voyer commission pour lui.
No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means.
Ou pas ka gen contact avec victime nan à travers médias sociaux ou aucun autre moyen électronique.
And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim's home and school and place of employment at all times.
Et faut rester au moins à 500 pieds de victime nan côté le rete côté à l'école côté le travail tout le temps.
Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs.
Ou pas qu'à commettre aucun autre acte criminel, ou pas qu'à utiliser ni posséder aucun drogue illégale.
And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition.
Ou pas qu'à utiliser, posséder, gain sous aucun arme, aucun balle, aucun revolver, rien même.
You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court.
Si que ou gen arme ou bien gen munition, ou bien gen permis de port d'arme, il faut porter le commissariat à la police qui pipe la caille, y a bon reçu. Ou porter reçu à notre tribunal.
You may return to the victim's residence one time only within 48 hours of your release from jail.
Dans 48 heures après yo lage, ou gen doit retourner kay victime nan yon fois pour al prendre effet personnel.
You must be accompanied by a police officer
Et faut gon policier qui accompagne yo.
so that you can retrieve your personal clothing, health items, medication, personal and business-related paperwork and work tools.
Pour qu'on capable prendre effet personnel ou médicaments, bagay ou besoin pour travail ou tout ça besoin pour même bagay pour travail, médicaments.
If you go to the victim's home without the police, or if you stay there, you will be arrested.
Si que ou ale kay victime nan sans la police et qu'on rete là, y a pas raison.
Do you understand the stay away orders, sir?
Ou comprendre l'autre campé loin, monsieur?
Bonsoir, nou ban se Jean-Emile Bosch la. Dam nan li men li get a fet sikel pou le ale Ohio. Kala e sou nom ni e mwen kape
One moment, monsieur. The lady already bought her ticket to go to Ohio. The house is in my name. I'm the one that's paying it.
So if she's living in the home, you have to leave and go somewhere else. If she's moved out of the home, you can go back.
Si que le rete nan kay la, il faut qu'on cherche l'autre côté pour rete. Si que le quitte kay la déjà là, allez ou mettre retourner nan kay la.
merci.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
How long have you lived in Miami?
Combien ton gen ou habite Miami?
Ba gen nepot 6 ou bien 7 mwa Miami, Michigan, David.
I was in Michigan before. I've been in Miami 6-7 months.
E di Trump vin boy si ya.
All right.
Sorry?
E dam na Trump vin boy si ya.
The lady asked me to come here.
Your bond's $1,000. Have a nice day.
Caution $1,000, passe bonne journée.
All right, next, that you said the one's on Zoom. So is that the Warren calendar? What, I thought I just pulled it.
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. So who's the first person on Zoom? I have a bunch of them. Christopher Corrales. I need Miss Corey though. So give her a minute.
Your Honor, this is the only Creole case?
That is, does anybody else need a Creole interpreter?
Judge, he might have a question if he can reach out to his bondsman to be able to post his bond.
the bond-
I gave him the bond. I gave him the phone number to the public defender's office, which is his lawyer that's been appointed to represent him.
Monsieur dit bon avocat bon un papier avec numéro avocat, l'avocat que juge là-bas pour représenter.
Ok.
Si qu'on besoin payer caution, on parle à comme bondsman.
He'll get a notice in the mail, so he'll know when to come to
Konen ba
court. He
ba
should
la.
check
Ou
his
après recevoir un papier par la poste. Monsieur, écoutez, monsieur. Ou
Ouais.
va recevoir un papier par la poste qui parle du qui prochaine date ou bien pour venir dans le tribunal.
Ok.
OK?
Thank you.
Merci.
All right, so I have Christopher Corrales. Did you hear back from any of these counties? Hello,
Judge,
sir.
Mr. Corrales, no, we have not heard back from the county. From the state.
Was from Orange County. So you want me to set it for tomorrow? Or you want me to just bring him back if we hear?
Why don't you bring back if we hear?
Mr. Corrales, right now they haven't responded, so I'm gonna reset the case September 2nd. If they hear, Mr. Wilson hears back from Orange County and they agree to a bond, we'll bring you back in and let you know. All right?
Or then, I don't want, like I said, I'm on the verge of losing my job. I
I
wanna
can't
get
do
this over.
anything about that. I'm so sorry. I have to wait to hear from Orange County.
If they respond sooner, will you get me back in here as soon as possible?
Of course, we set it the next calendar period. So if it's later today, we'll even let you know. If it's tomorrow morning, we'll let you know. Okay,
All right, Judge.
thank you. Resets at 9:02. Next, we have Richard Gomez Contreras. Good, hello, sir. Did you speak English or no?
Buenas
He has a
tardes,
wa-
señor.
So that
Thank
one,
you.
we did hear back from the state attorney's office. They're agreeing to a $2,500 bond on each case for a total of $5,000 with a stay away order from the Burberry store and Sawgrass Mills.
Ok, señor, su abogada indica que la fiscalía ha acordado una fianza de $2,500 en cada una de las causas. Sería un total de $5,000 de fianza y una orden de alejamiento de la tienda Burberry en Sawgrass Mills.
So your total bond, it's for each case is $2,500 for a total bond of $5,000.
Ok, señor, la fianza en cada uno de los casos va a ser $2,500 para un total de $5,000.
Stay away from the Burberry store. At where? Dolphin Mall?
Sawgrass.
Sawgrass. Stay away from the Burberry at Sawgrass Mall.
Tiene que mantenerse alejado de la tienda Burberry en Sawgrass Mall.
He's,
And also,
he has
what,
an immigration hold, Judge. It's not recommended to
valid warrant.
post this bond. He might want to wait until he gets to Broward to resolve his case there.
Ok, su abogada indica que usted tiene una retención de migración, por lo tanto no es aconsejable que pague la fianza. Mejor espere a que lo lleven a Broward para resolver su caso allá.
And sir, what is your address for the order so we can send you future notices? Is it-
Señor, ¿cuál es su dirección postal para poderle enviar notificaciones a futuro?
No tengo una dirección exacta ahorita, que ya no ese lugar ya no voy a vivir.
Okay, I do not have an exact address right now. I am no longer going to be living at that place.
Okay,
Muy bien.
so
25
I'll reset what, Ms. Corey?
I'm sorry, what was the bond?
The bond is $2,500. It's two separate cases, so it's $2,500 for each case with a
Correct.
stay away order from Sawgrass, reset September 2nd. Have a good day.
Ok, señor, la fianza son $2,500 en cada uno de los casos. Tiene dos casos. Una orden de alejamiento de la tienda Burberry en Sawgrass y regresa ante el tribunal. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
September 2nd is the reset date.
La próxima fecha va a ser el 2 de septiembre para ver si Broward ya lo ha trasladado. Gracias,
Okay.
ya se puede retirar.
Si Broward no viene, ¿me soltarían o no?
And if Broward doesn't come pick me up, will I be,
They are coming for you. Usually they come once a week.
ellos lo van a recoger. Generalmente ellos vienen una vez por semana.
All right, next we have Joshua Evans.
Hello.
Hi, Mr. Evans, Mr. West 1. Any word from Bay County?
Which case, I'm sorry, Judge, which case?
Joshua Evans, the gentleman has a to be set from Bay County.
We have not received a response yet.
Good, I'll set him for tomorrow. They're a pain in the neck to deal with, but I'm gonna reset it tomorrow to see if he hears back. Mr. Wilson's very good at contacting him, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thanks, thank you. Now I have Mr. Lopez here. His client was a female, Natalie Mejia, was that who it was?
Yes, ma'am.
Okeechobee Warwick. Do you have Miss Mejia there, please?
He's coming up, Judge.
Thank you. And she needs the interpreter as well.
No, Your Honor, she does not. She speaks English.
Oh, I apologize. I'm so sorry. It's been a long day. Good afternoon, Miss Mejia. So Mr. Lopez, did you hear anything back
I
from
did.
Okeechobee County?
I
Okay.
did. I was able to speak to the state attorney up there. She cannot touch the warrant because it was imposed by a judge, and that judge is no longer there. The new judge is Judge Wallace, and he is giving me a hearing on Friday. He has
Oh, that's nice of him.
Yeah, he has no availability before then, so I have to wait till Friday morning. So I'm asking perhaps, Judge, can we bring her back Friday afternoon?
No,
Why don't we
No.
reset it in the morning and then reset it in the afternoon from there?
no, I'm not doing that. What's the issue?
Well, exactly. I mean, she has a license. It's from 2015, and they won't give her bail until I have that hearing.
Right, okay, I'm gonna give her an ROR. Listen, what's your address, ma'am?
7713 North Kendall Drive, apartment 103A.
It's Kendall, is Kendal or LL?
Yes, key.
One L or two at the
Two
end?
L's.
All right, so I'm gonna release her on her own recognizance. Mr. Lopez is her lawyer. She's a good lawyer. They're not responding, so your
They
order to
did
keep,
respond. They said no, and then the judge is gonna do a hearing. So
I
the
think
judge
it's
wasn't going do
unreasonable
a
to keep,
hearing.
okay. And I think it's unreasonable to keep somebody in jail for 5 days. Well, she got arrested on the 16th, so since Saturday on a case where she missed, I understand she missed court from over 10 years ago. I'm ordering her to appear and keep all future court dates. She has a good lawyer and she advises she has a valid license, so they're probably gonna drop it when she gets it, if they even have the file that old. So that's why I'm okay, releasing her on her own recognizance. She didn't even have to post a bond. But I must caution you, if you miss court again,
I won.
and if you do, I will not be so kind and you will have to wait for them to pick you up,
I won.
okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You
Order
need to
to
send me-
follow.
Order to follow. You need to send me an order. Do you have a sample or no?
Yes, Your Honor. Miss F sent me the orders. I'm gonna send that to Chambers now.
So it's gonna say in the top, the title, order releasing defendant
Yes,
on,
sure.
on Okeechobee warrant. And you do the best you can, and send it to me in Word format, please. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. Will do. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, order to follow, otherwise reset 9-2. Anybody else?
We have one more in-state, Calvin Victor.
Calvin Victor, I got the whole family on Zoom. Hi, hopefully you had good luck. We're not
No.
having good luck.
Calvin Victor. Calvin.
The Marion County warrant, not just
So
North
Mr.
Ocala.
Wilson communicated with a supervisor at the state attorney's office, and they will not agree to modify the no bond.
I'm sorry, but I gotta wait for them to pick you up if they won't agree. So I'm resending your case. It's September 2nd. They usually come once a week. Can you make sure corrections, he gets on the list to go this week? I feel for you, sir.
All right.
Nothing I can do. I'm so sorry. And your family's here on Zoom, so they can hear you as well. So once you get released from Marion County, which I'm sure once you get there, you're probably gonna see a judge right away and then get released. Hopefully they'll close out your probation.
No
Okay.
bond, Judge?
It's no bond. Reset date is, 1 second, where are we? I'm sorry, the reset date will be
See you
September
again on the
2nd.
12th.
Yeah. Say it again?
I see you again on the 12th.
No, we don't want you to see me. We want to
for
see,
my
make
other
sure
case.
you're gone. What other case?
The first case I came here for.
His locally must have posted a bond on it.
I paid the bond on it. Yeah.
Just this case, sir. All right. Good luck to you. You have an arraignment on the 12th. All right, so that's it for the out-of-state, in-states. Now we're gonna do the regular calendar. Nikisha Jackson on page 1.
I was told the victim may want to be present.
Let's see.
Mr. Brown, if you're here, can you raise your hand on Zoom?
Good afternoon, ma'am. You were arrested for battery on a person aged 65 or older and criminal mischief. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. You're out on felony bond. There's a hold for you to see your judge tomorrow for case F249869B. So let me review.
There's no age. There may be PC for throwing a deadly missile. Also, I didn't see an amount of damage.
There's probable cause for throwing or shooting a deadly missile. She also pushed him. He lost balance. There's no age. Well, they didn't charge that. She launched a rocket brick at one of his windows. It's not clear if he was inside at the time. That's the criminal mischief. Count 1 is probable cause for battery. Count 2 is probable cause for criminal mischief. Ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Glenn Brown. No contact with the victim, the alleged victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, his home and school, and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs, and do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and follow receipt with the court. Do you understand the stay away order, ma'am? I don't hear. Okay, thank you. Count 1, there's probable cause for battery. That's a first-degree misdemeanor. It's $1,000 bond. Count 2, there's probable cause for criminal mischief. I didn't see a value for the broken window, so it's a second-degree misdemeanor, and that's going to be a $150 bond. And you will see your division judge tomorrow. Have a nice day. So next case is Alexander Rodriguez.
If the victim is present, Ms. Alvarez, can you write something in the chat? Raise your hand on Zoom. Let us know.
Mr. Rodriguez is out on felony bond F250000323.
Hold for the division judge. There's somebody here on Zoom.
I promoted the alleged victim.
Okay, he has a hold.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Good. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for strong arm robbery. Sir, can you afford to hire a private lawyer?
For strong arm robbery.
Yes, can you
Yeah,
hire an attorney?
I can afford to hire attorney, but if I could explain a little bit.
no, don't talk about the facts. Just tell me if you have money to pay for a private lawyer.
No, I don't.
I will appoint the public defender's office for you. I'm told the victim is here. Ma'am, you need to unmute and put, I mean, you are unmuted. You need to put on your video. There, thank you. Good afternoon.
Sorry.
Raise your right hand and be sworn, please. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you are going to give in this proceeding will be the truth? If so, state I do.
I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down, please tell me your name.
Janelle Alvarez?
Are you afraid of Alexander Rodriguez?
No, not at all.
Do you want the court to order Mr. Rodriguez to stay away from you?
No, I would not like that.
Okay, thank you. And has anybody forced you or threatened you to come to court today to make this statement?
No, not at all.
Thank you. State any questions for Ms. Alvarez?
No questions.
A defense?
No, Judge, thank you.
Okay, 1 second.
I want to see if it's the same victim in that open case or what it's about.
All right, so sir, do you want me to wait?
Give me 2 seconds. Let's see what the open case was. The open case was something at a casino, nothing to do with this.
So, sir, I'm entering a modified stay away order from the alleged victim, Janelle Alvarez. You are allowed to have contact with the alleged victim. You are prohibited from being physically threatening or violent towards her in any manner whatsoever. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs, and do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. Do you understand the modified stay away order, sir, that only friendly, nonviolent contact is permitted?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, unfortunately, he's out on bond, so I believe there should be a hold for F 25-323. I'll set a bond on this case at $1,500, and you'll see your division judge tomorrow. So it's gonna be 9 a.m., courtroom 27, but for Judge Rodriguez. And it's up to him to decide if he's gonna be held on his open case. Okay, ma'am?
Okay,
All right. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
coming in, ma'am. Have a good luck to you both. Have a good day.
thank you, ma'am. So God bless.
Next is Rodney Verroot. Page 2. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession of a firearm, weapon, or ammunition by a convicted felon and possession of cannabis. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
It was a taser.
Oh, firearm, weapon, or ammunition, so it's a weapon. All right, there's probable cause for possession of a weapon. 1 minute, by convicted felons. I gotta set it, huh? I can set a bond. He has nothing recent.
But he's got.
What do you want, like 2,500?
You can afford about 1,000 total, would you be able to reduce it to 1,000 total?
Okay, $1,000 bond, count 1, count 2 will be an ROR. Sir, you cannot have any weapons, so.
Yeah, I'm so.
Yeah, good luck to you. Have a good day. Next is Stefan Jacques Lewis, page 2. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession of cocaine and possession with intent to sell cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Just give me a moment to review the arrest affidavit. There's probable cause for the charges. He had 5 bags containing 150 smaller bags of crack cocaine, another 20 bags of cocaine. Bond on count one is $2,500 and count two is $5,000. Have a nice day, sir. Next is DeAndre Williams, page 2.
I think he's the buyer, unless I'm missing something.
So Lex is out on felony bond on 2 cases, F242638 and F2424955.
Okay. Yeah, he's the buyer. So count one should be purchase of cocaine.
Yeah.
Is that a third or a second?
It's a second because it's at the
Oh.
bond. The third.
Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession with intent to sell cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Actually, it's for conspiracy for possession with intent to sell cocaine. I think it's probable cause for purchase of cocaine. Unfortunately, you're out on felony bond. There's a hold for F24, the two open cases, F24-24955 and F24-26381. What do you want me to set the bonds at? 2,500?
Intent to sell any cocaine.
No, I think it's a purchase.
Purchase. He's a buyer. He was given money in exchange for the drugs.
Judge, he had no drugs on him. I would ask that you find no
Let's
probable
see.
cause and release him outright.
Then it's going to be conspiracy for the purchase of cocaine.
Or like an attempt, right? Because he had the money.
Attempted purchase of cocaine.
$1,000 is good.
Okay. So that's a third-degree felony. Bond will be $1,000. Have a nice day, but you got to see the judge tomorrow. Next is Sebastian Delgado. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession of cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So he had 2 small baggies with cocaine mixed with ketamine. There's probable cause for the charge. He's out on felony bond at F25 or no?
No, I think he's got an open misdemeanor.
Oh, it's a B. I'm sorry, it's an open misdemeanor. Okay. I'll set a bond to 2,500. Do you want me to give a
Up to you on
program or no?
that.
I don't know. Is pretrial's eligible? I don't see why not. Pretrial, alternate bond, $2,500. Have a nice day. There's somebody here for him. I don't know who.
I guess you could let him know.
Ma'am, I can release him to pretrial or he can post the bond to 2,500.
Well,
Hello. He can
He can
post
hear
the
me.
bond. You can call a bondsman. It's 2,500 or he can get out for free with pretrial. Okay? Thank you. Next, we have Miguel Benavides, page 3.
there's no amount of damage alleged. I don't know if his mom is here.
Judge, I'm sorry, on Mr. Delgado, would you include the traffic with the pretrial? I mean, not on this one. Yes. He has a traffic charge.
Let me
which-
see what it is. Is it a bench
driving
warrant?
license suspended. No, it's an included charge, Judge, on the arrest form.
How much is the, he's driving a Mercedes. He's a man of means.
150. I don't believe that's his car, Judge.
All right, include with pretrial services. Has he seen a judge yet on that?
Apparently it was 150 bond. Is that correct, corrections?
Corrections, has he seen a judge?
That's correct, yes.
Did he see
150
it?
on his traffic.
Did he see a judge on that yet?
Yes, on his traffic, he was given 150.
All right, so include with pretrial AM 4QGME alternate $150. Next is Miguel Benavides. Oh, he's a bondsman for Mr. Benavides. Good afternoon, sir. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
All right, you got arrested for criminal mischief over $1,000. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
I don't know if mom's the one who hired the bondsman. If mom's the one who hired the bondsman, does she want to come to court? No, mom is
I
not.
think it was my girlfriend's father who did it for me.
All right, so sir, there's probable cause for criminal mischief. There's no value. Your order to stay, 1 second. You give me a non-domestic?
Because I don't know if that crime qualifies as a DV crime.
Okay, fine. Your order, I'm entering a stay away order from your mother, Josephine Benavides. No contact with the victim either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home and school, and place of employment at all times. Do you understand the stay away order?
Yes, ma'am. I have a question really quickly.
Yeah, sure.
Now, the house 9239 Southwest 157 Court, which is my mother's primary residence, I pretty much obviously been living there for the last 18 years of my life. So when you tell me I can't go back, that's for good?
Oh, you can only go one time only with a police officer within 48 hours of your release from jail to retrieve your personal belongings. If you go there without the police, or if you stay there, you will be arrested.
Gotcha.
Okay. Thank you for asking.
And it's until the case closes or another judge says otherwise. The owner said a $500 bond.
Oh, I thought I said it already. Why can't I give him oh, he's a bondsman here. I'm sorry. This bondsman is here. It's $1,000. Sorry.
Okay.
Same thing. Have a good day. I have to mark up the stay away order. That's what I'm doing. All right, next case is Augustin Pacheco Barranco.
Just possession.
Oh, let me have that last one. I gotta make it, no, there's no value on there. It's just an M2.
Seen on traffic, he was given $2,000 bond.
Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession solicitation for possession with intent to sell cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
It should just be possession. He got a bond on the bench warrant, or else he may qualify for pretrial on the felony.
I would ask for pretrial, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna give him, on this case, pretrial services, alternate bond, $2,500. Have a good day. I'm not including the bench warrant case. Raul Cancino, page 4.
ROR count 2.
Yeah, Mr. Cancino, come on down, sir. Spanish or English?
Mr. Canino speaks English.
Sir, good afternoon. You were arrested for possession of cocaine, 2 counts, and possession of drug paraphernalia. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So there's probable cause for counts 1 and 3.
So
You want pretrial?
Judge, I believe he's on probation through the Interstate Compact until
That one's finished.
October. And he was released from prison in 2017. He's got priors out of county.
Okay. So I'm setting a bond, $1,000 count 1, ROR count 2, and count 3 is $500. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
He thinks he's off the probation for the interstate compact.
I'll
Judge.
show you what I have. 1 second.
So Excuse me, he just got off probation. I'm setting a bond. What's the
It
issue?
says it's active probation until October 16th of 2025. I've verified his birthday.
Okay, Miss F, I'm leaving a bond. Let's go to the next case. I spend enough time here all day. Next case is Damian Fullwood. Good afternoon. Sir, you were arrested for possession of cocaine and possession of drug paraphernalia. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable
Requesting a
cause.
bond. He's
You
got
got a
a
place?
rule to show cause and a DV warrant.
He was
We
given no
don't
bond,
have orders.
Yes, corrections?
but his DV warrant, he was given a no bond on that. He was seen.
Okay. I'll set a bond, pipe with residue, $1,000 count one, $500 count two. Have a good day, sir.
Why are you not doing pretrial?
Because he has a DV warrant with no bond.
There's a
Has
rule to show
he seen the
cause.
judge? Doesn't he go to court tomorrow in the morning? I heard that they get
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought he saw a judge there who already held him no bond.
corrections. Have they hold it?
They
Does he
held
qualify?
no bond.
But there's two things. There's the DV warrant and the rule to show cause on the misdemeanor domestic violence case.
The DV, he has a no bond. The misdemeanor case, the writ, the body attachment, that's 2,500 plus GPS.
Okay, on this case, he doesn't qualify for pretrial, according to pretrial. I'm giving him a bond, $1,000 count one, $1 count two. Have a good day. Next case is Jose Rodriguez Nodars, page 4. So I don't know why Express Bail Bonds is sitting here raising their hand the whole time. Can I help you? Do you need something? Good afternoon, Mr. Rodriguez Nodars. Do you speak English, sir?
Judge, Mr. Rodriguez is a fugitive from Collier County with the $80,000 bond.
Okay. Sir, do you speak English?
We need the Spanish interpreter for Mr.
Thank you.
Garcia.
So you were arrested for possession of a controlled substance called crystal meth and possession of drug paraphernalia, 4 counts.
Ok, señor, usted fue arrestado por estar en tenencia de una sustancia controlada, crystal meth, y también de tener implementos para el consumo de drogas.
All right,
Tiene
I-
4 causas por esto.
I am appointing the public defender's office to represent you on this case.
Le estoy nombrando al abogado de oficio para que lo represente en este caso.
There is probable cause for the charges.
Existe motivo fundado para estas causas.
Count 1 is $2,500 bond. Count 2 is $500, and count 3, 4, and 5, I will release you on your own recognizance.
En la primera causa tiene $2,500 de fianza, en la segunda $500 de fianza, tercera, cuarta y quinta sale en libertad bajo palabra.
Have a nice day.
Que tenga un buen día, ya se puede retirar.
Next is Victor Gonzalez Lau, page 5.
That's a bond out, Judge.
Thank you, and Raul Gill. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession of cocaine, possession of drug paraphernalia. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
So he was released from prison in November, and that was a 7.5-year sentence for armed robbery out of Hendry County. State's requesting a bond.
Okay, this is not violent. You have a place to stay, sir?
Yes, Judge.
Tap alternate bond. Count 1, it's cocaine, 5 pipes, a vape container, residue, cocaine. I'm setting a bond as follows. Count 1 is $1,500. Actually, no, count 1 will be $2,000. And count 2 will be $500. Your total bond, it's with tap. So tap alternate $2,500. Do you have an address, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
And
So the case-
I mean, corrections, what happened with the traffic charge?
Was given free trial offering 150.
Does he qualify for pretrial? Would he qualify for pretrial? He just got out of prison, I thought.
Right, he got out of prison in November, and that was for robbery with a gun or deadly weapon,
You're eligible for pretrial with robbery with a deadly weapon?
I don't think they have a pretrial representative in misdemeanor court.
Oh, okay, well. they
Would you
can-
include the traffic?
Okay.
What happened?
Include his failure to have a vehicle registration ticket number AM4QG9E with the pretrial referral. What's the alternate bond?
With TAP, you mean?
With TAP, I mean, I'm sorry, what's the alternate?
150.
Alternate $150. So TAP, Mr. Beckles, two cases. This case for the drugs, cocaine, it's going to be 2,000 count one, 500 count two. I'm including his no vehicle registration ticket AM4QG9E alternate $150. Okay, anything else? That's it for our calendars. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Thank you.